A fun feature to include when creating games is the ability to purchase housing for the player. There are numerous ways to do this with RPG Maker, as well as ways to customize a home's interior, so this guide will focus on very simple housing. To start, create the map for the interior of the player's home. This could be as small or as large as you'd like it to be, and you could include various rooms such as bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, etc. If you wanted to customize it further, you could add features that grant special effects or bonuses, such as a bed that heals the player to full health, or meals from the kitchen that add a temporary buff in battle. Next, create the exterior of the home on the map where you'd like it to appear. This could be in a town, a remote location, or anywhere you'd like the home to be. Create an event for the front door. On the first page, use a show text command to tell the player that the home is for sale for a price. Create a show choice command to ask if the player wants to buy the home. If they say yes, create a conditional branch inside of the yes choice to check if they have enough money. You can use create else branch here if they don't. If the player can afford it, remove the money from them. Create a new switch and turn it on to indicate the home has been purchased. Then, create a new event page with that switch as a condition. This will stop the purchase scene from replaying and allow the player to use the door to enter their home. On the second page, create a transfer player command and teleport the player to the inside of the home. Make sure to create another event on the home's interior to teleport back to the outside. You can make as many homes as you'd like in your game as long as a different switch is used for each one. Thanks for watching.